the boys. I'm a Kosi Ahmad. Man.
Kosi
You really
Polite.
played my boys.
Yeah.
You really rocked us, my boys.
Yeah.
You did it today, my boys. We're very proud of you.
did nothing.
Yeah. I'm off one of the boys. I'm a Kosi.
Right, this is No Channel Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Joe Banana, how's it, my brother?
Hey, sharp, my bro.
Sharp man, I see, you are demoralized. What's happening? Your spirit is very, very down like Sundowns.
Hey,
Always.
okay.
Yeah,
Let me introduce myself.
yeah,
My name is Joe Banana, the coolest kid in Africa.
yeah.
On without off.
Mm.
Ngobo 2010.
My brother.
Guys played well today.
Mm-hmm.
Bafethu badladile. Sharp.
From
So
the first whistle to the last.
yeah,
Yeah,
like today, rena botse re need to celebrate
yeah,
the way badladileng ka gona, and we need to celebrate a win again.
exactly, yeah.
But unfortunately, e re paletse win ka baka la hore I think gore somewhere o na le mo ile hore o bereka brown envelope
Mm.
somewhere
Yeah.
ke nagana gore ya bereka this thing kore this thing ya two pot na be ke sa e understand
Two-pot system, yeah.
Yeah, two-pot
Re mo bolong, yeah.
be ke sa e understand today ke bone straight o re ke eng two pot o tse botse wa bona Yeah, 'cause-
emanyana se utlwelelanyana mo bone
because
lebelo mo patsi
eish
as a two-pot system ya bereka
Ah,
it's a merero le o tlhaisa go morago
ya kore bona eish in the
ebile ba re ke four pots na le ele ya SARS hape
yeah
Mara a re tlwele.
a re tlwele I think SAFA is failing us
Mm.
e ke lebeletse nna
Yeah.
yeah it's failing us because arena VAR re rena hii.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I think be ba need hore ba tšee like the refs tša rena
Yeah.
le di linesmen. Agre ba tswa sekolong bona
Yeah, yeah.
ba tla ka di qualifications tša bona
Mm.
agere
Mm.
ba bitsa di interview ba phasa di interview
Mm.
agere
Yeah.
for gore ba tlo kgona o bereka mo gaming agere
Yeah.
so I think or after the interview
Mm.
tshwantse ba ba kenye sekolo again and if o na le di game
Yeah.
ka weekend during the week
Yeah. Yeah.
batho ba ba selectileng
Yeah.
batho ba ba selectileng I think a ba ba tšee
Mm.
ba yo ba ruta something ka game
Yeah.
because ntho ke bone today it was a movie today
Mm.
yeah
Do you think maybe what is the problem with officials? Is it maybe the fitness, or what is the problem with the officials? Because when it comes to offside, it needs a linesman who's fit.
yeah like today last man today for game ya today ne
Yeah.
kore o ka re thotela a tsebe ntho ba e bitsang offside o re keng
Mm.
yeah that is why ke re somewhere I think Brian on envelope ya bereka somewhere
Mm.
so nna ke disappointed ka mo siteng ya di ref
Yeah.
ke mo ke leng disappointed
Mm. Mm.
but for my guys ba tladile sharp
Your players, yeah.
yeah ba tladile sharp and I think gore e ba ka tlala so re tlo fitlha somewhere
Mm. Mm.
somewhere sa bona this season ke sure gore something yona re tlo e celebrate
Do you think it's a huge difference from last season?
not only last season
Mm.
the
Other
whole
season.
9 years
Mm. Mm.
yeah but like they're bringing back that tradition we know about Kaizer Chiefs
Mm.
yeah
Mm.
of which ke ntho e re e nyakang
Yeah.
e re jelwe yes o botlhoko o jewa
Yeah.
but there is a point where o bonang gore ke jelwe but I'm satisfied somewhere
Yeah.
so meaning gore next game e ba ka tlala the same we gonna collect some points
Time, yeah.
and somewhere during the season we're gonna celebrate
Yeah,
something
and mind you, you're playing a top team, Pella Sundowns. As much as you're a Kaizer Chiefs fan, you need to accept that Sundowns, are one of the best teams in Africa. So playing like this against Sundowns, it's gonna give you motivation so that when you go to other so-called small teams, you're gonna finish them like you did with Amazon.
like for the second leg, I want to go straight on this one.
Yeah.
For the second leg, for my side, it's gonna be a payback time. Yeah, because I think we're gonna go all out. We're gonna score more goals
Yeah.
before the ref wake ups or the linesmen wake
Yeah,
ups.
yeah.
Yeah.
For the ref wake up.
The time they wake up, want to catch us.
You are gone.
We are gone, already gone. Because that's
Yeah.
the only way. Yeah, the only way to beat teams like Sundowns and the Reps
Yeah.
is to score many goals.
Yeah, the best thing to do is to, for your strikers to share the ball and to
And
use
shoot.
their opportunities exactly.
Yes.
To make sure that
Yeah.
they score.
Otherwise, we are going nowhere.
Oh, thank you very much, Joe Banana.
Tango,
Joe Banana.
Tango.
Hopefully,
Before I leave,
yeah.
guys, Joe Banana onale track ituile
Yeah.
Joe Banana on without off.
Yeah,
You
man.
just go YouTube.
Yeah.
You write Joe Banana,
Yeah.
Loverboy, Teaser Black, Empire Group.
Eitada.
Go on a key hit, and you are all invited for music video. We're gonna shoot music video very
Yeah.
soon,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna post that.
Yeah.
All invited.
Joe Banana.
On without off.
Thanks, my brother. Always that off. Eitada.